How to get $150 Costco coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over here, type in Costco coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Costco. Once you're on the website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Costco. Just scroll and check out the offers. $30 off, $40 off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. With that, you want to get the code for it. Now I can copy the code. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on Redeem at Costco. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you are on the website, log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find this section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount. Also, you can try out other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Costco. Lastly, what you can do is head back. You can also try this one website, Groupon, as this is also the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Costco. So this way you can easily get up to $150 working coupon code for Costco. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.